Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and that you know the Wi-Fi SSID, password, and security type. This prevents mistakes. Open Notes or a trusted QR generator site so you can paste exact text. Accuracy matters because QR encodes characters literally. Once ready, format the Wi-Fi string as Wi-Fi T, WPA, S, your SSID, P, your password. This step creates the precise payload the QR will deliver, which ensures devices join automatically when scanned. Now you generate the QR code. Paste that formatted Wi-Fi string into a QR generator, then choose medium or high error correction so real-world damage won't break the code. Set output to a PNG at about 1024 pixels for clear printing and screen use. This preserves scanner reliability. Once the file is created, preview it and immediately test by scanning with your iPhone camera. This verifies both the string and the generator produced finish by sharing the QR as a PNG. Use AirDrop, email, or print it and post where guests find it. This keeps the process frictionless. To connect, open the iPhone camera or the Control Center QR reader and point at the code. When the prompt appears, tap Join and the device configures Wi-Fi automatically. If it fails, make sure the SSID is case-sensitive, password has no hidden spaces, and the security type matches. Correcting those 3 fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.